Liquidity is extremely important in markets. When we are trading with the Elliott wave theory, we're always wondering if this is the end of the wave, if we should buy it, if the price is ready, if the price is going to make an extended wave, and how to trade it. In this clear example, we are going to check a day trade on the S&P, the step-by-step process to find the trade. Do you believe it's possible to capture this leg that the market did today on a day trading basis? Is that possible? Is that too hard? Is that something that we can do? Well, let's have a look. Here we have the price building the first zigzag for the wave W. The price finished the wave W and it started to move higher. When things already happened, are extremely easy to explain. But the question is how to do this thing live, how to apply the concept on the live market. That's the tricky part. So when we have a bias, today our bias was bullish on the S&P, we can start looking into the setup. Here we have the price moving down. This is completion. This is the area that we are thinking that is the completion of the wave. And the price starts slowing down. The liquidity is going up. This is an indicator that we have, exclusive indicator that we have here on Elliott Wave Street. And we, as you can see, the liquidity is going up, is the black line. So we need to focus on the buy trade. That's going to give us a huge edge. On the next bar, the price makes a low, it starts moving up. We don't have anything yet. And on the next bar, we have what we call a demand plus candle. The demand plus candle shows that demand is overcoming supply, and that's our signal to start with the trade. We can buy there or we can look for a discount, and the stop loss will be below the low. So when the price starts building the move up, we can book partial profits, because that's going to be wave 1 or wave A. Probably a wave A, we're expecting on a bigger degree the wave X. So all these 5 wave sequence, you can see this perfectly here. Move up, retrace, move up, retrace, move up. 5 wave sequence clearly is developing. So you have to be careful now, because you know that soon a corrective wave is going to start. So book your profits. You are seeing the 5 wave sequence. Or if you are too greedy, book 80% of your profits. And then, of course, wait for the retrace. The price starts developing the retrace, and we have now the wave 2 in progress, as you can see. The liquidity remains bullish. We're going to look for the signal. Here we have the first signal. We have the first buy trade. This one comes to the stop loss. Okay, that's fine. It's the wave A. Now, adding the wave theory, we can see that this is the wave A, this is the B wave, and we are in the C leg down. We can also add the concept of Elliott wave block or order block. This is going to be this area here, where the price is likely to bounce, if you like the smart money concept. Also, if we want to add more, this will be a change of behavior here, and this is the test of that change of behavior. So we can add other tools around the setup. But seeing that the big guy is buying while the price is moving down is what is telling that we should be trading on that direction. The price keeps moving down, and there we have the next signal. The light blue candles are the signals. The price starts moving. We might get stopped out here. It's possible, right? So probably we'll have so far 2 strikes. I like to explain this system in the worst case scenario. So let's suppose that we got stopped out there on this candle or the next one. Perfect. We're still bullish, right? So we have a beautiful trade here and 2 strikes. Now we're gonna look for the next entry point. There we go. Light blue candle. So this is our 3rd trade on this leg down. And we trigger the trade and we start following. Okay, we got to the 1-to-1. We always need to book partial profits on the 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio, just in case. We are good. No worry. Look at the big guy. The big guy still buys. So we are good. We can hold it. We can hold it. We can hold it. We can hold it. The big guy is buying. There we have to be a little bit careful, so we can book some profits. But the big guy is not selling. Look, the big guy is buying because we have higher highs. Same on the price. We're in the bullish trend, and we were able to execute the trade from the low of the corrective wave. Perfect. This is a B wave. Now we're in the C wave up, and we're expecting more bullish price action. So we can hold it, we can hold it, we can hold it all during the session. Now it's the afternoon, so we have to be careful. We need to book some really good profits just in case. And the price makes the high. We're getting closer to 2 p.m., so we have to be careful. Which actually at this instance, we should be already out. You know, this is a 1 to 10 risk-reward ratio trade. So we are out. We need to take out the advantage and take out the trades at the highs and look how the big guy is selling. So we have that beautiful, beautiful setup. Right? Another high, in case that we didn't take it out, it's time to do it, because we know that we are getting closer now to the end of the leg. Our corrective wave is likely to happen soon, so we have to be out here, right? And that's where we are now. So traders, yes, the answer is yes. We can anticipate, and we can, with a tiny risk, we can work those setups. On the bigger picture here with the wave count, right here is where we were buying. We were following the move up after this corrective wave. Now, at this stage, we will be looking tomorrow in the session if the big guy is selling, only if that happens, of course, because if the big guy is buying, it's going to continue higher and we will be focusing on the buy trade. But if we have the leg down, probably we are going to start looking for the buy trade again. So those are the little details that makes the difference when we are trading. Look how we can trade with Elliott wave on a day trade basis, or if you like to trade as a swing trader as well, it's absolutely fine. All right, that is it. Please don't forget to join our trading group on ElliottWaveStreet.com. Visit ElliottWaveStreet.com. Visit the membership. If you want to see this indicator every day in action, we have 3 plans: the Premier, the Elliott, and the Mastermind. I recommend the Elliott or the Mastermind because on these two, you are going to have access to the Discord, to the live streaming, the live room every day, mornings, New York mornings. So you will have access to that on these plans and access to the extra education. The first month we have a special, just $19. So you don't have to risk anything, just $19 to join us and see what we have inside. It's just fantastic. You are going to love it and you are going to learn how to find the end of the waves. I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.